Hey guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch this video. You guessed it, I'm back with another Shein haul. This time it is a fall haul. So I found some really cute cozy sweaters that I am so excited to share with you guys. I am pre-filming this video, so I'm actually wearing exactly what I'm wearing in last week's video. So I am filming my Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation review and wear test. I am gonna have that video up before this one and it will be listed down below if you're interested in watching. Otherwise, let's start with the top that I'm wearing. This is actually a bralette. It's very comfy and stretchy. I love it. And I originally bought it to wear under these sweaters that I purchased. And I'm glad that I did because I mean, even though I'm wearing it just plain, I would not wear this out and about because the padding that's in it is actually very lumpy and weird. Like up close, it's not looking so good. It's not such a good situation. But I mean, to wear while I'm filming, I don't think anyone's gonna notice. So I thought this was kind of cute just by itself today. This is the spaghetti strap longline bra. I got it in a size small and this is $7. This is what it looks like on the website. The pattern looks way smoother on her, so that stinks, but it can be replaced. So next up, I've also purchased these two bralettes, mainly for the white one. So if you are familiar with this style, I'm pretty sure it's originally from Free People, I want to say, or something like that, and it's like $30. Well, I got this 2-pack for, hang on, $12. So this is so cute, especially under sweaters to have that lace popping out. And then it also includes the black. So yes, $12, just the 2-pack contrast lace bra sets. And they look exactly like they do in the picture. Next up is this super cozy sweater. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so darn soft. And this is what it looks like on. There is a slight crop to it. Sleeves are long enough. It is so cozy, so soft. This is what it looks like in the back. So it just has that V-neck. Oh my goodness, the material, you guys. Okay, so this is the solid V-neck crop sweater. It's just one size, which kind of stinks, but I mean, it's fairly stretchy, but I definitely think that they could make it more than just one size. It's originally $24. I do feel like it looks a bit more like apricot-ish in person. So I don't know if you guys will be able to notice the difference or not, but I feel like it just looks tan, nude, whatever in there. And then in person, I don't know, but it's so cute and beautiful. I don't care. Next up is this simple long sleeve shirt. I love it. It is a little bit see-through, so this is where that white bralette comes into play because it actually looks pretty good underneath it. So this is the V-neck slouchy solid sweater. And it is originally $17 and mine is in the size small. So it is supposed to be oversized, supposed to kind of like hang off your shoulder a little bit, you know. And I just love the details on it, like of the stitching. This is what it looks like online. Just super cute and simple for fall. This one I don't like as much as I thought I would. I thought it was gonna be a softer material. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like slightly scratchy, but not too bad. It probably just needs to be washed good. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was gonna be more of a thicker material. I guess it does look exactly like it does in the picture though, so that's good. But yeah, I mean, it is really cute. Just a simple long sleeve for fall. So this is the all over print knit sweater and it's originally $18. Mine is in a size small. If you want it to be a little bit oversized though, I would suggest sizing up. And that is what it looks like online. Next up, I bought this very cozy sweater. So it's a wrap sweater. You tie it up in the back. I mean, I feel like it kind of looks like I have a tail. So I kind of just tuck it in like that. And you can at least see that there's 2 ties, you know, and it doesn't look so much like a tail. I think that this is so cute and it is so comfortable. So this is the drop shoulder tie back wrap sweater and this is also just one size, which this actually does make sense because you can adjust it. You can wrap it as tight or as loose as you want. And this is $24. Wait a second. Maybe I'm just not like wrapping mine right. Is that what's going on here? Okay, I feel like this is a little better, maybe. I'll play around with it, but anyways, I love this. I think it's so cute and stylish for fall. Okay, next up, this is definitely my favorite, you guys. It is so stinking cute. It's just this comfy cropped sweater and deep buttons, you guys. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. They're almost like a tortoise shell kind of style. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this sweater. So this is the solid button up cropped cardigan. This is one size as well. Okay, it is pretty stretchy. All right, I'll give them that. It's normally $20. But oh my goodness, the details of this I just think are so beautiful. So here it is on the model. Oops. Oh, I guess that's easier, huh? I mean, come on. So cute. And she's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Very obsessed, for sure, to say the least. This is probably my most favorite. This is the next cardigan that I got and am completely obsessed with as well. It is so cute. Like, this is so stinking adorable for fall. I just... Listen, I wait all year once fall ends to get those fall feels again, and it feels so good to have them. So I just love this material. It looks so darn cute. I'm like hyping on my own clothes. I'm like, dang. So the buttons on this are also really beautiful. Like, look at that. And the little pockets, like, oh. This is the V-neck button through cardigan. Size small, normally $27. They definitely bumped up those prices for fall, and I mean, I don't blame them though, because it's really cute stuff. But here it is on the model. So adorable. Is it that same pretty model again? Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at her. She is stunning. I hope she knows how beautiful she is. And then I picked up this sweater. I think it's really cute, but I feel like it runs a little bit small. This is a size small, and I feel like I should have got a medium, but it's just so cute. I love the colors of it. I'll show you guys up close. I just think that this is so cute for fall. I love these colors. So this is the striped drop shoulder sweater. This is $18. And here it is on the model. On another note though, so I put on that other bralette that I showed you guys because I wanted to see what it would look like underneath this, and it's like, it's cute and all, but the bralettes are so much bigger than what I thought they would be, so I'm definitely gonna wash and dry them and hope that they shrink up a little bit. It's pretty big. Also want to show you guys a few more things that I actually just ordered today that I don't have obviously for this haul. So first are these lace up front combat boots. I got the color beige. Aren't those adorable? I love that the laces are beige too. So these are $42. And then I also got these, like, those Balenciagas, the one that look like socks. Anyways, I thought that these are just so cute. I couldn't resist. So the bottom is like a metal, and then yeah, it's like that sock style. So I mean, hopefully these look cute on me also. And these were $36. I mean, oh my goodness, they just look so stinking cute. Oh, and those were called the point toe chunky heeled sock boots. And then I picked up these Glen plaid drawstring ankle cut pants. I've been wanting this pant style for so long, but I just haven't found the right one until now. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. So they were only $13. I got them in the size small. And then to go with it, I got this black solid form-fitting turtleneck. I think that will be so cute with it, with just some, like, my white plain slip-on Vans, or like black chunky boots. I think that would be such a cute outfit. I can't wait. So I have been getting every Shein purchase of mine 20% off with the code POPSUGAR. All caps, all one word. I have been telling you guys this in all of my Shein hauls if you watch them. It's a code that has not expired, and it works for me every single time. And it really takes off a good percentage when you are like kind of buying in bulk for the seasons like I do. So this completes my Shein fall haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and also click that subscribe button down below to help my channel grow. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!